Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So as we got into the car and then my wife's Honda Pilot 2017, somehow it displayed the keyless remote battery is low, so we only have like a quarter of bar left. So later I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to install the new battery. Okay, we'll be back. Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we have another DIY or tutorial on how to change your 2016 up to 2019 Honda Pilots, your keyless fob batteries. So let's go ahead and show you guys the tutorial. So as you can see, I have a clip of the video that showing that my wife's 2017, it's a Honda Pilot, which is the elite model, which is the top of the line, and then it has a low battery indicator on the dashboard. So let's go ahead and you want to go ahead and eject your key by push this button upward or slide it up, and then just pull this out and try to use your key to insert into that groove right here, and then you're gonna twist it to pry it open, okay? And then that's it. And try to use your fingernail, or if you have some kind of thin tool, to pop this up, and there you go. You reveal the battery. So this one is the CR2032. It's a 3-volt battery. And you're going to pry this out. Okay, or you just insert your fingernail or like a flathead screwdriver into this slot, and then push up, that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and get a new battery, and then I'll be back. So I went to grab my batteries that I bought from eBay long time ago. I think 5 of this for around like $4 something, or less than $5. This is the CR2032. So be sure it's the same size as your old battery, okay? But this is the one for the Honda Pilot. So I'm going to pop it out. And I'm going to pop this brand new battery in there. So be sure to insert in an angle, okay? Because the two plastic right here are fixed. So you need to insert that in first, and then make sure it's in, and you just push it down. And then that's it, okay? And we're gonna pop this back in. Make sure that this end goes in first. Okay, so you have a gap like this. And make sure it's flush. And just snap it in. And then that's it. Now we're gonna go out there and then test this out. I'm not sure, I think she put in her purse and some other items pressing the key or something, or some kind of pressure, because it's about a little bit 2 years and 3 months, and the battery dies. With our Prius, it lasts about 4 years or more. So anyway, so it's kind of dark right now. I'm gonna walk to the car and then start the car right now. So yeah, everything is good right now. Got no low battery indicator showing on the dash. So we are good to go. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.